Gold and silver both have seen a good drop in the early session today. So now can we expect a bounce back, or are they going to trade bearish? And if yes, which position we should take and at what levels, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be released before the US cash session, so do watch it also. In this analysis, first we'll look into gold, followed with silver. So do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully and do just trade as per the levels here. Now let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, you can see gold was trading in this upward trending channel. On the hourly charts, it is breached this channel. Also, if you look at this, the second channel is this, which is a broader channel, and it is precisely taken the support here at 1787 levels. Below that, certainly see till 1780 gold has got maximum support, and the next strongest support is 1770 levels. I'll be watchful till here. See 1787 first support, and below that 1783 82 zones should come into picture. If it breaks this, furthermore bearishness to be seen. Now this is just on the candles. The direction movement here is bearish. The stochastic on the hourly charts is trading oversold, and the MACD is divergent and bearish here. RSI is also looking downwards, so it appears that it is right now trading with a bearish bias. However, it is also trading a little oversold on the hourly chart. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, the broader support is here, and I'll wait for it to break past. Rather, those who want to take a safe trade should wait for 1784-82 levels, and in fact 1780 levels. Below that, certainly more bearishness to be seen. At the same time, on the upside, we can see 1795 has given it a good resistance, and beyond 1795 it's 1800 levels. So I'll recommend you to buy today only above 1795. Till the time gold trades below 1795, do not buy. That is one part. Directional movement is bullish and trying to converge crossover for a sell. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has taken a crossover, and this is a bearish cross. This is a second red candle. Possibility for it to trade bearish from here for a little while exists till the time it trades below 1795 today. Possibly we may see little bearishness. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. Similar is the observation, nothing different. So I'll wait for it to break past 1787 here, below that 84, and then 82, in fact till 1780, very strong support. Below that, furthermore bearishness to be seen. So yes, you can trail your stop loss on gold if you short or sell at 1787. Below that, little bearishness. However, remember, every $2 or $3 there is a little support till 1780. Below that, 1774 and 1770 are the stronger support. Below 1770 we may see a sharper drop, and hence you have to trade with caution here. On the upside, 1795 similar levels. Beyond that, a good bullishness can be seen, but however 1803 levels are the resistance there. Direction movement is trying to cross over for a sell. Stochastic looking downward. The MACD has already taken a bearish cross. RSI looking downwards, and similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Even the indicators are almost indicating the same language and speaking the same language which we saw on the 1H, 2H, 3H time frame. There is a crossover here on MACD. RSI is also looking downwards. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts and look at the performance there. See, first thing is lower highs. Second is higher lows. You can clearly see there is a steep support on the downside on the daily charts. It is creating consistently higher lows. At the same time, there is a curvature. So yes, this is potential consolidation which we should wait for it to break out. And if you see it trading below 1780 today, then only consider that it is trying to break the bullishness, and potentially we may see a little bearishness if it trades below 1780. Directional movement trying to converge. Stochastic is trying to converge again. The MACD is trading bearish with a little divergence, and RSI looking downwards. Considering this, for the day, 1787 and 1795 are the no trade zone. In fact, those who wants to trade safe should wait for 1780. Yes, you can take a sell here at 1787, but remember 84, 85 the first support, then 80, 82 the next support. If these two levels are taken, then only you can consider that it is going to break. Else Mind my words, you have to trade with a strict trading stop loss of just $2, or else keep shifting your or put your stop loss at your entry price, that is 1787 itself. Whenever you see your trade is in profit, remember it can give you good swings or might trade in range, hence you have to trade with caution. On the upside, beyond 1795, first target at 1798, then 1801, then 1805 and 1808. Beyond 1808, it is going to fly, it is going to trade bullish, it is going to remain bullish for the rest of the week, and we may see higher highs for 1830, 1850 levels. Take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts too has seen a good drop once it traded below 2350, and now taking the support from 2320 levels. You can also see the hourly candles getting smaller body here, indicating that the bearishness is diminished here and there is a potential for reversal. Now if you look at the hourly charts for silver, you can find out, see, this is the upper trend, this is the upper line, and this is the lower zone. It is precisely trading in this, and hence 2320 appears to be a very good support. If you see it trading below 2320 till $23, potential for it to survive the bullishness exists, and there is a potential for reversal which will always be there. So below 2320, my first target is 2310, and then $23. Below 23 only you can expect little more bearishness for 2280 levels will be seen. Directional movement converging for a bearish cross, stochastic oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. This is the third, fourth red candle which may continue to do so. RSI looking downwards. Similarly, on the 2-hour charts, almost similar is the observation. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. So higher lows, higher highs are seen, indicating bullishness. Directional movement trying to converge for a sell. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD trying to take for a bearish cross here. It is trying to trade with the sell. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, so similar is the observation here. You can find out. And if you look at the directional movement trying to converge for a sell, stochastic looking downwards. MACD is trying to converge for a sell. RSI is also looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. Third red candle, there is a little gap here. Now on the 4-hour charts, you can find out there is a little gap here at 2345, 2350. Since then, this is the third red candle with the higher lows. It is indicative that it is still trying to trade bullish. Below 2320, 2310 and $23 are the stronger support. Below that, 2280, 2260 will be. Next, if you look at the 4-hour chart, it is trying to converge. It is bullish so far. Stochastic, which was trading overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD is also trying to converge, and the RSI is also trying to look downwards. So it appears that it was trading overbought. On the daily chart, it appears 2340 is going to be a good resistance, and if you see it trading about 2340, we can expect 2355, 2360 levels, and beyond that it is going to fly high. So for the day, we have not to trade between 2320 and 2340. In fact, till $23 you have to be a little cautious, and you have to trail your stop losses. On the downside, 2280 is going to be a stronger support. Silver is also come back to the overbought zone here on the daily chart. The MACD is trading with divergence and bullishness, and if you look at the RSI, this is also trading near to the high. So yes, you can sell at 2320, but then expect 2310, $23, and then 2280 levels as a very good support. Below that, a good drop towards 2260, 2240 to be seen. On the upside, trading about 2340, you can buy for 2350, 2360, the nearest resistance, and beyond that, 2380 and $24 to be seen. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.